Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Visionsync multifocal glasses, the latest miracle cure for anyone between the ages of 34 and 74 who's tired of squinting at menus. They claim to use adaptive technology for clearer vision, which is just a fancy way of saying they might actually be made of glass. Everyone wants to know if they actually work as promised, so stick around while we break this down in simple, honest terms. Unlike their marketing department. Let's start with the biggest red flag, the medical expertise. The website proudly claims these are recommended by ophthalmologists and even features a doctor's photo. The catch? They never actually mention the doctor's name, and the photo is clearly AI-generated. I suppose if you're selling fake glasses, you might as well use a fake doctor who doesn't need a real medical license to ignore your emails. It's a classic move to look trustworthy while being anything but. Then there's the aggressive marketing. You'll be bombarded with hot sale banners, offer expires soon warnings, and free shipping today pop-ups that follow you like a desperate ex. These are textbook pressure tactics designed to make you panic buy before your brain has a chance to realize how sketchy this is. If a deal feels like it's going to explode in 5 minutes, it's probably because the product's credibility already has. Moving on to the actual product details, or the total lack thereof. There is zero technical information available. No lens specifications, no optical data, and absolutely no certifications regarding UV protection or material quality. For something you're supposed to put directly in front of your eyeballs every day, that's a bit of a concern. Apparently, just trust us is the new industry standard for medical-grade optics. Finally, let's talk about the glowing reviews. Every single one on their site is overwhelmingly positive and written in the exact same suspiciously polished style. Most of the reviewer photos are also AI-generated, which is a nice touch if you enjoy taking advice from people who don't actually exist. Since there are zero real reviews anywhere else on the internet, it's safe to say these testimonials are as real as a $3 bill. Between the fake doctor, the AI-generated fans, and the complete lack of technical specs, Visionsync multifocal glasses look more like a digital hallucination than a real product. It's highly unlikely they'll deliver anything other than a lighter wallet and a headache. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates, because someone has to keep track of all these red flags.